Hey guys, you must have encountered reading an Excel file or CSV while writing down Python programs. So there are multiple ways. Either you can use pandas or there are various methods. But I found this method to be quite easy and fast. So we have this library OpenPyExcel, using which we can read an Excel file efficiently and in a faster way. So in this example, we first use the load workbook method of the open from the OpenPyExcel library to open this Excel file. We then select the sheet we want to read and then use the iterate rows method to iterate over each row in the sheet. Now this values only equals to true. That means that this parameter tells OpenPyExcel to return only the cell values, not any format or other any metadata. Now then we append each row to a data list and print the list to verify that we have read the data correctly. Overall, OpenPyExcel provides a fast and efficient way to read an Excel file. Thank you.